Pinocus ko yung stress lecture ko into something applicable sa inyo. So, first slide, please. Tingnan mo, first slide pa lang, gulo na. Pati slide ng stress, nakaka-stress eh. These are very stressful and very busy slides. Pero, i-discuss natin. Model of stress. Ito kayo. Okay? So, ano ba yung external demands? So, this is the human. Okay? Ito yung mga nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? I-discuss natin. The model of stress is your perception to so many things. Like internal demands and pressures. Okay? Ano ba mga internal demands and pressures? Yung luho mo, yung gusto mo, diba? Yung wants mo, yung needs mo. Responsibilities and obligations. Minsan, sabi ng tatay mo, ikaw na magpaaral sa kapatid mo. Mga ganun. Physiological and psychological strength. Yung mga relationship nyo sa family. Sa external naman, demands and pressures. Ito yung mga family din pala. Family, individual, social, yung mga grupo. Doon, workplace, social yan. Environmental, hindi kayo in-increasean, financial. Tapos, nag-resign yung kasama nyo, ikaw na lang gumagawa ng trabaho ng dalawa. Okay, it seems wise to use stress as a generic term for the whole area of problems. That includes the stimuli producing stress reactions, the reaction, yung stimuli that includes in producing stress reaction, yung kaaway mo, yan, katulad nun. The reaction themselves and the various intervening process, paano mo in-address yung kaaway mo, nagmamaskara ka ba para hindi mo siya makita, naka-shades ka, or pinatid mo na siya para hindi na makapasok. Biglaang reaction, epinephrine ang involved doon, yung adrenaline. Ha? It activate during stress. Ito yung pinakamabilis na response sa stress. Okay, within seconds. Yung hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, nasa kanan, pituitary, nasa brain yan, nasa brain area. Ito yung medyo mas mabilis kasi yan, second na mabilis. It releases stored energy, glucose, fatty acids, to deal with emergencies via glucocorticoids. Ito yung mga na-stroke, na-resuscitate, nagre-react sila sa stress. Ito yung response nila. Cortisol, fatty acids. Stressors make you more likely to get diseases that make you sick. More likely lang to get diseases than make you sick. Chronic stress exacerbates pre-existing condition. If you're asthmatic, pag na-stress ka, magta-trigger, aasmahin ka. If you're a diabetic, pag na-stress ka, tataas ang sugar mo. Okay? Rather than causing disease directly. Hindi siya direct. There exists substantial individual variability in response to the disease. Of course, because of genetics. Okay? And body connection to repressive coping in health. Overall, the evidence suggests a significant association between depressive coping and immunosuppression, cardiovascular activity, and elevated blood pressure. Okay. Ibig lang sabihin, nagkakaroon ng psychosomatic reaction. So, nagre-respond ang katawan mo sa stress through this. No? Okay. Glucose. Ayan. Alam niyo ba ang na-stress ay mahilig sa... Alam niyo pag na-stress kayo, you eat chocolate. Imbis na, yung iba kasi smoking, no? Chocolate. Nagkakakuan din yan, nakaka-relieve ng stress. Kaya yan, glucose. Okay, study lang ito about repressive coping. A recent meta-analysis examined the relation between psychosocial factors and breast cancer. Average effect sizes were calculated from processing studies for 8 major categories. The average woman in the breast cancer group generally use a repressive coping style to a greater extent than did 65% of women in control group. So talagang ginagamit yung repressive coping. Next, please. Pati sa breast cancer. Repression and social support. Individual high and defensiveness supported significantly higher social support compared to others. repressive coping pa rin to sa may breast cancer. Some limited evidence of super repressor were observed this high defensiveness, low anxiety, high optimism. Ito yung magandang character ng coping. Okay? Ito yung mas mahabang PC na sinasabi natin. Mas mataas ang threshold bago siya mag-react. Pero ang pinakamalaking chunk ng determinants ng individual health is behavior and lifestyle. The way you eat, the way you exercise, the way you cope with your stresses. Okay? So, yun ang pinakamalaki. So, kailangan i-address nyo yung stress.